With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary K.
Hey everyone, it's Gary K, and welcome to another pre-InfoComm edition of my Rants and Raves video cast. Today we're going to be talking about TD SYNNEX, and I'm joined with the Senior Vice President of Product Management, Sandy Stambaugh. Sandy, how are you?
Hey Gary, I'm doing well. How are you?
Good. This is a big show for you. This is a big show, always every year for you. You have a lot of partners, and you're going to be in the West Hall with all the display companies in W1745. I'm curious, who are some of the newer brands that we're going to see in your booth, first off, if you don't mind sharing?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, so definitely big show for us. This is our biggest show of the year, as for many. Focused around our people, our partnerships, and then obviously the services and support that we offer our partners that do business with TD SYNNEX. From a partnership perspective, we'll have a number of brands in our space this year. Newer, so obviously we'll be showcasing our new partnership with Smart. We'll have, core partners like Google and Microsoft in our space, Poly, and then also folks like Logitech and also Sony. And then, some new brands like Vidari, right? So Vidari with some of their e-posters that'll be in our space as well. So really,
yeah, Vidari is kind of cool because they have like an all-in-one video or a digital signage system that's all driven through the network. Yeah,
they do. And really excited about kind of the, interesting space that sort of pushes us into with the e-poster category as a whole, and the lower, power consumption and ease of use within the digital signage network. So yeah, for sure.
And in last few years, you've really focused on UC. It sounds like you've brought digital signage in as well. Will each of these partners have their own little space in your booth, or how are you putting this together?
To some degree, we give spaces. We try to limit that a little. As you know, Gary, we always try to really make our space a hospitality space for our partners. Yeah. And so where there's new or compelling or innovative technology, then we definitely want to showcase that. But it's really more of like a solutions kind of offering, right? So it's not just a bunch of booths with products. It's really kind of pulling it together into a full solution. So we can showcase things like AI and collaboration, and DV LED certainly will have some offerings around that. I talked about the e-posters already. Things like Chrome for signage, brought to us by Google, and some of the opportunities around that. And then we'll also showcase certainly collaboration. AI is a hot topic, and so we'll be showcasing a PTZ camera by Sony that has AI included in that, and then also be talking a lot about Copilot by Microsoft and the impact that's having on the efficiencies and sort of what hybrid collaboration looks like going forward.
Yeah, Copilot's definitely going to change things, especially as our industry has such a high adoption of Microsoft Teams and Teams rooms and such. Now, you always have a party, a reception, I should say, offsite. Where is it this year? When is it? And how do I register for it?
We do. So we'll actually drop the link to register in the chat. It's going to be at Flight Club this year at Palazzo, and it is Wednesday from 6 to 9. So really excited about that. And there's actually an after party, I guess we'll call it, that Peerless is hosting, that TD SYNNEX is sponsoring as well. So it's going to be a big night on Wednesday.
Yeah, that after party is humongous.
It is.
It's a big deal. I'll definitely be there. If you want to see me, come by the SYNNEX event at Flight Club, because I'll be there Wednesday night in case we don't see each other on the show floor. As Sandy said, I'll drop a link to that registration in the description of this video cast. Wherever you're watching it, you can find that link. Sandy, don't forget, you're in West Hall in booth 1745 with all the display companies there. And of course, you can go to tdsynnex.com at any time to see all the stuff we've been talking about. Sandy, congratulations on everything. I'm excited for you and the show coming up, and I look forward to seeing you in person in about a week.
Yeah, can't wait. It's going to be a great week.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thanks for joining us. All of our InfoComm coverage at ravepubs.com/InfoComm. We already got a bunch of stuff up now. Check it out and have a great day.
With